5G Innovation Initiative is all about how we use the 5G network to help do things differently, more quickly, more safely. So the way that this project works for Endeavour Energy, working with Amazon Web Services, Unleash and Optus, the drones buzz along 3 metres above the electricity wires, sending high-resolution video back over the Optus 5G network, and then Unleash uses smart technology to analyse that and find out where there are problems in the network. And it's going to be a game changer in terms of safety, but also in terms of the reliable operation of the network. All of us as customers, we just want to know that the electricity is there when we switch the power on at home.
Today's a pretty important day for us because we're now taking that extra step into the future and we're bringing together all types of technologies, and that's really the key. So it's not so much about technology, it's the orchestration of the experts coming together. Cloud computing, artificial intelligence, 5G, Endeavour Energy's network. And the idea is that we can run a more safe, efficient, affordable network for our customers. It's a big network. So in order to maintain that, to manage that and stay on top of it, particularly with the threats of climate change, we need to keep advancing, and technology and partnerships is the answer for us.
5G is a major difference. 5G, the term's certainly been around for a while, but for us, 5G is all about the low latency applications that we can actually play over the top, so that we can actually have users working in the field, wherever that field may be, using managed edge compute cloud to be able to do real-time applications, real-time services at real-time speed. We're able to get the images from the drones back into AWS to be analysed by the platforms that Unleashed actually provide.
So what we do is we connect drones in the field with high-definition video and stream that back over 5G network with zero latency. So real-time video, high-quality video, back to the Endeavour Energy control center. And during the video streaming, we analyze the video stream for the condition of the assets, identifying faults and any other issues with power poles or the conductors.
I really want to commend Endeavour Energy for their work on this project, working with Optus, Amazon Web Services and the Aussie startup Unleash. This is great technology and it's putting Australia right at the forefront.